In this video, we'll cover spray head replacement for the Flomax Bullet pull-down faucet. Before you begin, close valve supplying water to the faucet, and then turn the faucet on and then off to relieve any lingering pressure which may remain in the system. Pull the spray head away from the faucet to reveal the spray head's connection to the flexible mesh hose. Decouple the spray head from the flexible mesh hose by unscrewing the connection. The spray head can now be replaced. Use the screw-on connection point to couple the spray head to the flexible mesh hose. Be careful to avoid cross-threading the connections, as it may result in a leak. This completes spray head replacement for the Flomax Bullet pull-down faucet.